On this episode of DeWalt Flexivolt Tool Repairs, we're going to be working on a DCS 577 60-volt cordless circular saw. These are contractor-grade tools, meaning they're built to take a beating. But if you're watching this video, you've probably found the limit of what your saw can take. First, we'll talk a little about the saw, and then we'll show you how to replace the carry handle on your Flexivolt worm drive saw using OEM DeWalt parts from mmtoolparts.com. Released in 2016 alongside DeWalt's new Flexivolt battery system, the DCS 577 is a step forward in cordless power tools. Capable of outpowering even a corded circular saw, these quickly become the preferred contractor's choice on a job site. DeWalt builds these tools to be abused, but they aren't indestructible. If you've dropped yours one too many times and cracked the handle, which is more common than you'd think, there's good news. Anyone can replace the handle themselves, at home, using OEM DeWalt parts from mmtoolparts.com, a leader in tool repairs for over 80 years. To start out, we'll want to remove the battery. When working with cordless power tools, safety first. The carry handle is attached to the saw using 4 Torx screws, 2 T20s and 2 T25s. Remove these screws and then pull the handle free from the body of the saw. Grab your new handle from mmtoolparts.com and reinstall using the existing screws. And that's it! You've just saved your saw's life. Now, don't drop it again. If you have anything to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one. So leave a comment for us below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your repairs. See you next time.